A very good morning, students. In today's video, we will learn a very interesting topic of composition part, that is writing notices. Now here, first of all, I will explain you the points that we will learn in this video. The first point is what is notice writing. The second will be some key points of notice writing. The third will be the format of notice. And the fourth will be some examples. Okay. So first of all, we'll come to the first point, that is what is a notice. A notice is a written or a printed piece of information that is targeted for a specific group of people. Now it usually covers an event, an inauguration, a function, or any general instructions. They are put on display board in a school or any public places. Now we will learn some key points that must be kept in mind while writing any notice. Okay. The first point is the ideal length of notice, means the correct length of notice is 50 words. So here we will write only the relevant points. Yes. The second point is present a notice in a proper format, means the format of the notice is very important. Okay. Now coming to the next part, we will learn the format of notice writing. First of all, a rectangular box is to be created where we are going to write the notice. Now in that box, in top middle portion, the name of the organization which is issuing the notice must be written. Okay. Then just below it, the word notice in capital letters needs to be written. Now then in the left hand side, you have to write the date. Date you have to write on which the notice is to be issued. Yes. And this date is to be written in full format. Now for example, if it is 16 September 2020, you have to write full. Then below it, in the middle side, write the title or heading of the notice. Then below this, the body of the notice starts, and after the body is completed, we'll write the signature, name and designation. Okay, designation of authority. So this is the exact format. Now I will repeat the format one more time. Just revise this. Firstly, draw a rectangular box. In that box, in the top middle portion, the name of the organization which is issuing the notice must be written. Then right below it, the word notice is written. Then in the left hand side, write the date on which the notice is to be issued. Yes. Below it, write the title of the notice, and then below that title starts your body. Yes, and after the body is written, we'll write the signature, name and designation. Understood, students? Now, students, let's understand what should be there written in the body of the notice. Okay. Now, in order to remember, you have to answer 6 W's while writing the body. Okay. The first one is what. Now, what is the notice about? Means here you should clearly mention what is going to happen or what has already happened. Now second W is who. Who the notice is to be addressed, or who the notice is to be addressed. Like in your notice, it has to be very clearly mentioned to whom you want to contact. Like for example, if there is any games or what, so who will be the participants. So that thing you have to clearly mention in this part. Yes. The third W is where. Now if the notice is for an event, then you have to mention the place of the event here. Fourth one is when. Now this one is the time and the date of the event or meeting. Yes. Fifth one is what to do. Means here instructions are written related to the notice. Okay. Means what you have to do in this notice. Now sixth one is whom. Means the final details should be whom to contact. Yes, this mentions who is the appropriate person or authority. Yes, you should contact to related to the notice. So these were the 6 points that you must present in your notice writing. Now let us look to an example to make the topic more clear. The question is, you are the secretary of activities club in your school. The annual day program is to be held next month. Write a notice for the school display board in this reference. So let's start the notice writing for the given topic. Now the first thing is, let's draw a rectangular box in which we will be writing our content of notice. Then on the top, the name of the organization comes. So let's say ABC school, okay, Ahmedabad. Then we need to write the word notice just below the school name. Then we will write the date on which the notice is to be issued. Let's say 10th January 2019. Then we will write the title of the notice according to the given question. We will write annual day celebrations. Now we will start the main part of the notice, that is body. Here we can write in this way also, like this is to inform all the students that the school's annual day function will be held on 10th January 2019 from 11 am to 1 pm at Mall, Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad's collector Dr. Vikrant Pandey will grace the occasion as chief guest. Every student needs to collect their passes from their respective class teachers. Here you can see that we have mentioned all the 6 points that we discussed regarding the body of the notice, like what is the notice about, who all are supposed to add here in the notice, where the event is happening, when it is happening, instructions to all the students regarding the pass collection, and whom they need to contact for pass collection. After the body is completed, we'll put the sign, name and designation, and that is the final notice. See, students, just pause the video and go through the example once again. So this was all about notice writing. Let's revise one more time. Firstly, I explained you all about what is notice writing. It is a written or a printed piece of information targeted for a specific group of people. Then we went through the key points while writing the notice, means what we have to keep in mind when we are writing the notice. Then we saw the format of notice writing. After that, we saw what needs to be there in the body of notice. And finally, we saw one example of notice writing regarding annual day celebration announcement. So thank you students. I hope you all have understood this topic very clearly. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.